All right, going to be taking a look at MVIS, currently traded at $2.22. What a rally here. 15th, the 16th, the 17th, so last Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and today. Still up 6.73%. You guys are completely bullish, obviously. You're above every single day, simple day moving average to 10, 20, and 30 now. Heavy support now at the $1.70, but still, you guys aren't even looking back off of that, in my opinion. Really beautiful time coming up off of here right now. Blew past the biggest resistance that I've seen, which is going to be the $2.21. You guys are tippy toeing right above it right now. There's not going to be too much until 258 off of this level. My personal opinion, coming off of here, seems to play a big role around that 258 area. Really, really beautiful move, Joe. I don't know if you're probably gonna be able to help us out a little bit, and hopefully tell us, what this move is about, or if something happened with the company. But looking into the chart, you guys had a big drop off in this area. Looks to be right out after earnings.
Yeah, earnings was on just March 6th.
Okay, so March 6th. I mean, there was a pop off of that, but it pulled back down. There's a big gap on it.
We had a press release on March 15th regarding an order that they got, or they received.
That would do it.
Mm-hmm.
That looks to coincide with the chart fairly well.
Yeah, it says Microvision receives first order for small form factor display engine for 6.7 million. So Asian electronics device manufacturer to embed Microvision display engine in smartphones for China and other markets. So Microvision Incorporated, a leader in innovative ultra miniature projection display and sensing technology, announced on March 15th that it has received a 6.7 million order for its small form factor display engine, the model PSE 0403 from an Asian electronics device manufacturer. Customer plans to embed the Microvision display engines in smartphones. The electronics original equipment manufacturer OEM plans to launch the smartphone product later this year in China and other markets where it is existing distribution of its products. Currently, Microvision expects to begin shipping engines to the OEM in the second quarter of 2017, with the large majority of the units shipping by the end of 2017. Actual timing of the shipments of the PSE 0403 to this OEM will be finalized in line with the OEM product launch timing. Other details of the product or agreement between Microvision and the OEM are confidential. This order demonstrates how the small form factor display engine Microvision announced in November 2016 is suited to applications where small size and power efficiency are required and where flexible design of the module is needed by the OEM. The electronics OEM that is designing the smartphone with an embedded projector required an electronics board layout that varied from the standard form of Microvision's PSE 0403 display engine. Microvision was able to quickly design a form factor that met the requirements of the OEM and can be manufactured by Microvision's supply chain partner. So that's pretty much that. I mean, they're talking about something. They had another thing that was announced in November 2016. So, I mean, that's something, obviously, if I was researching into this company, I'd go back into the November news of 2016 and kind of start to, build up all like these, relationships with whatever companies these guys are working with. Because they're obviously building these things that other companies need to create their product. It's always a plus to get that due diligence going. Plus, you're on the NASDAQ as well. So if you have an opinion or you're looking for one, just go right over there to the MVIS board on Investors Hangout and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors. If you're looking to do more due diligence on the company, you'll see all that information right there at your fingertips with the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy ratings. That's all right there. So, I mean, I definitely advise go maybe read that recent press release from March 15th and then go back into the November of 2016 press release. And that one right there stated that, no, that's not that.
Are you still looking up something, Joe? Or
No, yeah, I thought it'd be faster for me to pull it right up. It was, yeah, so it was the November 21st one was Microvision signs patent license agreement with Taiwanese ODM business. Taiwanese ODM. So it doesn't say anything about the actual, relationship. It says, we are pleased to enter into a patent license with this ODM for our LBS technology development market. We believe this agreement demonstrates the value of Microvision's LBS intellectual property and provides new opportunities and potential products for LBS technology in the market. I mean, whatever these guys do, in regards to smartphones, obviously they're starting to get business for it, so it's good. That's that, David.
all right, with the chart 221, watch resistance at 221 and 258 supported $1.93 and $1.73. Might be starting to cool down a little bit here. We've watched it here since we started taking a look at this one. Starting to pull down right now at that resistance level 221. You guys see how that green line's going across now. Once it start pulling back down to there, tapping off of those areas from 2016. Might start resting around this area. I would like to see it get above that 221. I mean, because you guys get above that 221, it would definitely rally up much higher, faster, in my personal opinion. But it might start cooling down around this area. Definitely keep an eye on this one. Again, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com.